Release of new CDC guidelines on masking and Governor Newsom's decision on when he will lift California's school mask mandates. KPIX5's Kenny Choi spoke to several experts on whether it's time to lift the mandates.
Okay. With New York's governor today saying that it will lift its school mask mandate, California and Hawaii are now the only states that have yet to announce a rollback at schools. Signs demanding to end mask requirements now in schools.
It's held up as this magical force field, and I just think too much credit has been given to them in the first place. And again, we should blessedly celebrate that kids have not been impacted by this and let them get their lives back to normal.
Children and parents of Mask Choice rallied at Golden Gate Park. Millions of California students who have covered their faces for 8 hours a day and often many hours more during after-school activities could soon have the option to shed their mandated coverings.
DPH has been the most conservative, the most restrictive of all the state departments of public health in the United States.
I think we're all in pretty much agreement that it's appropriate to take masks off and safe for a lot of people. It's really a question of, is it now or will it be in a couple of weeks?
Under new CDC recommendations, the majority of school districts in California's 58 counties would be allowed to remove masks falling under low or medium levels of transmission. Nearly every Bay Area county meets the criteria too, with the exception of Napa and Solano counties still in red.
We are doing so much better than 5 and 6 weeks ago. During the pandemic, the surge has dramatically come down.
In the latest UC Berkeley IGS poll, 61% still support mask mandates in schools. 37% disapprove, with the remaining undecided.
But of course, we'd like to have the masks off with kids, but it's not dangerous having them on.
I think it's important that the research has really showed us at this point that cloth face masks likely did not impact transmission or exposure to the child. And so it really is these stronger masks, N95, KN95s, FFP2s, KF94 double masks. And anyone can protect themselves by wearing those masks, including children and teachers in school.
Even if the state lifts the requirement, counties can choose to be more restrictive, but it's a symbolic moment in what continues to be one of the more contentious issues during COVID. In Mill Valley, Kenny Choi, KPIX5.
So again, the mask mandate could be lifted in the next few weeks. That is well after the state eased mask rules 2 weeks ago for most indoor locations.